Welcome to a journey that celebrates the art of transformation. In this exploration of forgotten industrial and organic wood and metal art and decor, we delve into the creative processes that reimagine, revive, and rebuild materials that once held purpose and beauty, but have since been overlooked. With a focus on sustainability, artistry, and innovation, we will uncover the myriad ways forgotten materials are being reincarnated into striking decor and art pieces that resonate in contemporary spaces. Forgotten industrial and organic materials possess a unique charm that transcends time. Having served functional purposes, these items, whether rusted metal scraps or old wooden beams, carry embedded histories waiting to be unearthed. By reimagining these materials, artists not only salvage their physical forms but also celebrate the stories they embody, bridging the past and the present. Industrial aesthetics embrace rawness and unrefinement, showcasing materials like steel, concrete, and reclaimed wood. The appeal lies in the bold contrasts and textures, offering a stark beauty that is deeply evocative. This style highlights the imperfections of materials, reminding us that true beauty often emerges from the processes of aging and wear, which tell their own stories. In contrast to the roughness of industrial materials, organic wood exudes warmth and a natural beauty. Reclaimed wood, in particular, brings a tactile quality to art and decor that modern synthetic materials cannot replicate. By incorporating both organic and industrial elements, artists create pieces that achieve balance, inviting viewers to engage with nature while experiencing urban aesthetics. The process of reimagining forgotten materials is where the magic happens. Artists and designers embark on journeys of creativity, employing techniques like welding, sanding, and finishing to transform what many see as remnants into new masterpieces. The act of creation invigorates these materials with fresh purpose, ensuring that they are not simply discarded but reborn into something extraordinary. A variety of artistic approaches, from mixed media to upcycling, allow for diverse interpretations of these materials. Artists can blend wood and metal, crafting eye-catching sculptures and decor items that exhibit both structural integrity and artistic flair. Each piece often reflects the artist's unique style, revealing their personal connection with the materials and processes involved. Sustainability stands at the forefront of this revival. Artists embrace eco-friendly practices by repurposing discarded materials, significantly reducing waste. This not only helps mitigate environmental damage but also promotes a broader cultural shift towards more mindful consumption. Each reimagined piece serves as a reminder of our responsibility to honor the planet by choosing sustainable art and decor options. The influence of nature plays a significant role in the artistic transformation of industrial and organic materials. Artists often take cues from natural forms and colors, infusing their work with life and vibrancy. By celebrating organic shapes and earthy palettes, they create a dialogue between the natural world and the human-created environment, enhancing our appreciation of both. The advent of modern technology influences the way artists approach their work. Tools like laser cutting and 3D printing offer precise methods of manipulating materials, allowing for intricate designs that capture the eye. This integration of traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge techniques encourages innovation in art, expanding the possibilities for how materials can be used. Art created from reimagined materials transcends typical home decor, turning everyday spaces into personal galleries. Each piece adds character and depth, encouraging conversations about its origins and the processes behind its creation. This unique blend of functionality and art transforms spaces into reflections of individual identities, fostering a sense of connection and belonging.
Exhibiting these revitalized works is not just about display, it's an invitation to engage with the narratives each piece embodies. Art shows, community galleries, and pop-up exhibits serve as platforms for thoughtful discussions, where audiences can learn about sustainability and the importance of reimagining materials. Through these exhibitions, a deeper appreciation for art and its origins is cultivated. The revival of forgotten industrial and organic art often fosters community involvement. Local partnerships among artists, craftsmen, and the community encourage collaboration that enriches the creative process. These synergies not only enhance artistic output, but also build a supportive network where shared values and collective passions thrive. Art made from reclaimed materials often evokes strong emotional responses. Viewers may experience nostalgia or a sense of connection to nature, drawn to the tactile qualities and histories embedded within each piece. This emotional resonance transforms art from mere objects into powerful storytellers, fostering personal connections between the audience and the work. Reimagining forgotten materials pushes the boundaries of artistic expression. Artists challenge conventional notions of beauty and utility, inspiring others in the creative community to think beyond traditional mediums. This expanding frontier encourages innovative practices and alternative perspectives, paving the way for the next generation of artists to redefine the art world. Looking ahead, the movement to revive forgotten materials is poised for growth. Artists are increasingly prioritizing the fusion of technology, sustainability, and organic design principles in their work. This evolving approach fosters a dynamic interplay between heritage and modernity, ensuring that the spirit of revival remains alive and relevant. As we embark on this journey of reimagining, reviving, and rebuilding industrial and organic wood and metal art and decor, we invite you to engage deeply with these themes. Let each transformed piece inspire you to contemplate not only artistic expression, but also your role in supporting sustainability and creativity. Together, we can honor the past while paving the way for a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this exploration of transforming forgotten industrial and organic wood and metal art and decor, please subscribe for more inspiring content. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who appreciate creativity and sustainability. Together, let's celebrate the beauty of revival and innovative artistry.